In this video, we are going to discuss about batch processing using Jdbc API. Batch is nothing but set of or group of DML statements submitting to the database as a unit. Right? Set of DML statements in the sense that set can have all insert statements, all update statements, all delete statements also, or any of the combinations insert, update, delete. Here in this case, here insert, delete, here update, insert, delete. It can have any of the combinations also. Right. Problem here is one of the record fails. What will happen to other records in the batch? If first statement failed, it will continue with the rest of the statements. Right? There is no problem in that. Finally, we will get succeeded record count. Let's write a program for this. Previous tutorial I already discussed how to connect to database, how to display records, how to disconnect it. We need to write a batch insert. Batch insert. Connection object has prepared statement, we need to pass SQL here. Prepared statement. Prepared statement. We need to pass SQL. Insert into events. Events, we need to pass column names and values. We need to pass 4 values, I believe. Right, we will check column names. Name, start date time and date time description. Name, start date time, end date time and description. Prepared statement throws an exception. SQL exception, just to throw it. Now we need to set parameters. So first one is name, that is a string. First parameter is 1. Name is I am setting event 1. stmt. Second parameter is set timestamp. I am setting it as null. Set timestamp. Third one is also timestamp null. stmt. Fourth one is also string. Set string 4. Here event 1 description. This should be added as a batch. Okay, this is one insert. We can go for multiple insert statements. This is first record, this is second record. Here event 2 description, and we will give third record also. Third record. Here we'll set it as 3. Now prepared statement has execute batch method. Execute batch method. If you have large number of records in the batch, you can use execute large batch. We have only 3 records, we can use this. Before that, get 1 minute. Okay. I have got something. So if all records will succeed, it will display message. After batch insert, to call again display the records. Println after batch processing. System.out. Here before batch processing. Right, we are calling this our database has select star from events. It has 4 records. Now run it. It's compiling. Okay, see before batch processing it has 4 records. After batch processing we inserted 3 records, right? Start event 1, event 2, event 3, right? It's all insert statements successful. So we got all records. Here check in the database. We have now 7 records: event 1, event 2, event 3. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make one of the insert statement fail. Here if you check it, DSC events, see name is 40 characters. I am going to give more than 40. Let's see what will happen. It has 6. In this case what will happen? I am going to delete let it be select star from events. We have 7 records. Now the record count will be 9. So one record is going to fail. That is the first one. Let's compile it. It's compiling. It's already executed. See, before batch processing we have 7 records. This is because we are running second time now. See, data truncation error. We got data too long for column name at row 1. Right? Now if you go and check in the database, we will have 9 records. See, 9 records. Even first record fails. I mean to say is, even first record fails, it continues with the rest of the records in the batch. That's the main point here. And also we can have multiple DML statements in the it no need to be insert. It can be update, it can be delete also. It's called batch processing in using Jdbc. And also main important thing is it throws an exception, that is batch update exception. Okay, so from this only you are getting this error message, data too long for any batch operations. It throws a batch update exception. In our case we are using all insert statements, even then it throws a batch update exception. Right, this is called batch processing using Jdbc API.